Welcome to this comprehensive overview of Hotbit, one of the fastest growing crypto trading platforms in the world. Hotbit offers a user-friendly interface and a wide range of cryptocurrencies for trading and investment. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, Hotbit caters to your needs with innovative tools and features. To start, visit Hotbit's website and log in or sign up for a new account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the platform's intuitive dashboard, where you can explore various trading pairs and investment options. Hotbit supports numerous cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to lesser-known altcoins, making it a great choice for diversifying your portfolio. The Markets tab lets you quickly navigate through trending assets and trading volumes. Hotbit also provides advanced trading options, such as spot trading and grid trading. You can customize your trades with limit orders, market orders, and other strategies directly from the platform. The platform also has a staking feature, enabling you to earn passive income by locking up your crypto assets. Staking rewards and interest rates vary, but Hotbit provides detailed information on returns to help you make informed decisions. In the investment section, Hotbit offers DeFi and ETF products, letting you participate in innovative financial opportunities with competitive returns. These products are easily accessible, even for users with limited experience. Hotbit's secure wallet system ensures your assets are safe, employing multi-layered encryption and cold storage to protect your funds. Before proceeding, here's a quick tip. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign-up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Hotbit's Earn program allows users to stake or participate in investment plans for consistent returns. This feature is a must-try for anyone looking to make their crypto holdings work for them. The platform's transaction fees are competitive, ensuring that you get the best value for your trades. Don't forget to explore the mobile app for trading on the go. With its seamless interface and real-time updates, the Hotbit app ensures that you never miss an opportunity in the fast-paced crypto market. Like what you see? Subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more crypto guides and tutorials.